Greetings, let's do a quick video with a sentence in Portuguese where there actually appears past tense. Alright, so this sentence I'm going to use is namely cuántas flores ele compró. And the entire idea is about this word which I will just be talking about. The sentence basically means how many flowers did he buy. It's a very simple sentence, but it beautifully shows how past simple, which is exactly the form of what I'm going to be talking about today, quickly in this context, means or looks like. Alright, so cuántas flores means how many flowers. Cuántas is how many. How many? Direct translation to English is how many. Nothing more to think about there. Cuántas, alright, with the S at the end. And then the next word, if it's not legible enough, so we write it. Flores. It's very similar to other languages. How you say flowers sounds very similar to flowers actually. So how many flowers is this word? Flowers. So how many flowers is cuántas flores? That's the first part. And then ele compró. Ele compró. This and means he bought. So this sentence means how many flowers did he buy? It's the question. How many flowers did he buy? The how many goes right in the beginning, like usually the question words do. That's a structural thing to remember and understand. Then flores with the end s because it's the plural case, same done as in English. And then ele compró is just the verb, the pronoun plus a verb conjugated in the past tense for the third person. Alright? I'm not going to go over the tables, but the regular simple past tense in Portuguese for the third person, so for he and she, for example, goes as follows. In this particular case, it was comprar, that is to buy, the infinitive base form of the word, and then compró is how you construct the third person singular past tense. So you see, it indeed works the way it should. The O is what should replace the end, ending in the regular conjugation of past simple for this exact person. So if it's he bought or he did something in the past simple past tense and it's a regular verb in this manner, then O is what will happen at the end of that verb instead of are. So in the beginning, this is the basic form of just the actions. It's basically a description. It's just the description of that action of that verb is the basic form, infinitive form of the verb, for example, to be used after modal verbs and so on. But then you can take it and modify it into simple past tense for the first person singular, which this exact case is an example of. Alright, so you see, comprar changed to compró. That's the exact rule that worked right here. So again, what we looked at in this video was the basic example sentence, cuántas flores ele compró, where past simple past tense that is regularly constructed is shown, and on an example in Portuguese. Cuántas flores simply meant how many flowers, and ele means he, alright, and this is both. But particularly for the third person, so when it's he or she in simple past, that's where O ending comes in.